Hey, Big Mike. This is for business credit. This is one of the companies you could use to establish business credit. Happy 4th of July, Big Mike. Back. I just been so busy. Business consumes you. And I just don't have the time like I used to. However, today I got an email from one of the people I mentor, and they were asking me about the gas problem, and they were asking me about how to get more clients. So I figured I'd just throw a video out there real quick on this 4th of July holiday. But are we really free though? I'll save that for another video. Okay, number one, the gas. The gas, you can't do too much about the gas. You just got to get down like a wholesale, one of them wholesale, like a membership, like Walmart, Costco's, BJ's, Kroger's. Credit cards, if you got credit cards, you could get like a Sunoco, Exxon, Shell, credit card membership. You get better prices, especially if it's a business credit card. And when you're doing your trip, guys, you don't want to fill your tank up all the way to capacity. You just want to target your trip. From where you picking up your client to where you taking your client to where you bringing them back. What else? Oh, and then when you're doing like a long distance drive, just put it on cruise control and try to stay in one lane. That'll save you some gas. Okay. Now, the other question, that's what I got for the gas. The other question. Oh, and you could get an app. You could get an app too where you could find out who got the cheapest gas. What else? Oh yeah, the marketing. How to get clients. When you get clients, you got to run traffic. Okay, you got to hit up. First you got to make sure you popping up on Google. Okay, they got to be able to find you. Make sure you popping up on Google. And then number two, you wanna run traffic like on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. There's so many of them out there, so you can run traffic. But if I had to boil it down to one thing, I would have to say email. Once you get the email, it's a game changer. So if you could do an email campaign and run the traffic like a big circle, and you target demographics, certain demographics, you got to know your audience. You got to know what clients you service. So you want to specifically target like the nursing homes, rehab centers, private clients, brokers, okay, insurance companies, and try to get like a dedicated discharge. Try to get like a dedicated contract with a discharge. Establish like a team with $11.99 drivers and do like 3 shifts. Morning, evening, and nighttime. That'll scale you up quickly. And you could do that with the hospitals or the clinics, outpatients, inpatients. But the email marketing, that's a game changer. That'll really help you scale up quickly. Right now, it's a little saturated. A lot of people are doing it today. It's still lucrative. But a lot of these companies don't know how to market. They don't know how to keep the clients. The clients are, they losing clients. Clients are going to other companies, you know. So that's a game changer right there, email marketing. And you want to make sure you advertise. You put your business cards, your posters, and but the email marketing, once you get the email, you hit them every day, 10 times a day. And you call them up at least twice a day. I guarantee they're gonna be looking at you. They're gonna know your name, and your client base is gonna improve right away. Also, I got something you might be interested in. It's a 5-year contract with the federal government, and cha-ching! That'll increase your clients. 5-year contract, that'll scale you up quickly. What else? Okay, business credit. That's another thing you should be focusing on to increase the leverage so you could get financing, you know, just for long term. You're gonna need it. But not only that, you want to have excellent business credit. Okay. Also, they got a lot of grants still out there. SBA, other private companies, they got forgivable loans out there now. So there's still a lot of money out there. You just got to know how to get it. Oh, what else? Oh yeah, your time. You want to control your time. Don't let your time control you. You want to try to get up at least an hour early, 2 hours early. And like me, what I do personally, what works for me, I get up, I get my coffee, and I do everything in 15 minutes, blocks of 15. Jump on my computer, I do my tweets to Twitter, Facebook, whatever. Check my traffic, make sure everything's running. Check all my emails, deal with any concerns. You know, look at payroll, pay bills, check the credit card, you know, balance, and what bills I gotta pay. Let's see, you know, like day-to-day operations so your company could run like a well-oiled machine. And by the time, about 2 hours, you're probably done with everything. And then you're ready to start your day when people are just waking up. What else? Yeah, another thing I noticed is the market, the non-medical transportation business right now is saturated. A lot of people are doing it now, but they're not keeping their clients. They're losing clients because they're not, and they don't know how to keep them. They don't know how to market. They don't know how to market, and it's a little discouraging when you lose a customer or client. You know, if you're doing private label, then you got the wheelchair vans, and you don't know how to market to keep your customers, to keep it coming. Where you got too many trips, where you can't handle all the trips. You gotta hire, this is off topic, hire like independent contractors to do the work. That's how many clients you're gonna have. So if you do the email marketing and you do the grants and the you know, forgivable business loans, and if you control your time where you could get more done in the back office, you could control, you know, the success quicker to scale up. Another thing, I just want to thank everyone, all my subscribers for the last couple of years. Thank you and God bless you. And I just want to wish everyone a happy 4th of July. Be safe out there. Also, I'm going to come out with more videos and more content. You know, I just been so busy. When you have a business and you taste success, it just consumes you. So leave a comment, a like, a share, and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as I can and help you in any way I can. Yeah, till next time, Big Mike, I'm out. Peace.